little too much for us, guys. Okay, we'll see you back home. Well, finally found a spot out of the wind. It's pretty. We got some lily pads. We got a blue heron. We got Alex. We got Mr. Bentley. Give it a go in here for a minute. See what's popping off. Man, even back in this little tiny cut, see the wind ripping in the trees? I don't know if we're gonna be able to get back to the house. Ooh, big turtle, big turtle. See the turtle? Oh, he just went underwater. What's the depth finder say, Alex? 1.7. Okay, I'm right front. Yeah, look at that spot. The wind drift that thing out of there. Alright, bobber's out. Alex is fishing. Okay, we're doing it. Yeah, fish on. Feel me, baby. Oh, another catfish. Hell yeah. Catfish in the St. Johns River. Ooh. Oh, I broke my line. What a fucking idiot.
Okay. Thumbs up.
I'm so sad.
Thumbs down.
Broke right there in the bobber.
Okay.
Tried to pick it up. The line like an idiot.
Any tips to prevent that from happening next time?
Yeah, using that.
Okay.
Alex is infatuated with her dog in a bathing suit. That's all that's important to her.
Drinking a beer. Max
Yeah.
spilt his beer.
I spilled my whole beer, so I don't get a beer. There might be one warm one in there. All right, stay on. What you got, baby?
What do you,
Fight him. Woo! It's a bass, baby. It's a big ass bass. Don't lift him out of the water. Hold on. All right, Rexy, hold on. Stay on the phone. Keep your speaker. She's a jumper. Bring him over here. We're fishing with live shiners on bobbers. Oh, hang on. Keep my... Got him! Woo, baby! Look at that fucking largemouth bass. That's fucking cool.
Yeah.
Got him, Rexy. We got him. Okay, give him a little kiss on the lips. Jimmy Houston style. Yeah.
Cool.
Nice catch, baby.
Thanks, bud. What you doing? What kind of knot is that called?
It's a clinch knot or a fisherman's knot.
Clanch it.
Clanch it. Last day of the trip. Of course, it's gorgeous. Alex is working hard. Depth finder still doesn't work, but the outboard does. Here we go. Hold this, Alex. Our neighbor Chip. Alex is letting the last of the bait go. It's noon. We got a 5-hour drive. Still got to load the boat and clean the house. So this is it, guys. Happy Easter.